Good day, class. So today we'll discuss about graphing a linear equation by plotting points. So let's have first our learning targets. I can graph a linear equation by plotting points. I can solve a solution in standard and y form. This is found in your book at page 12. So the equation in the form y equals to mx plus b, where the graph of the equation y equals 2x plus 3 by plotting points. Step 1. Find 3 points whose coordinate are solutions to the point. So we'll now solve for the points. In this case, you will be the one to give points in your coordinates. So first, let's have you can give any points on your values of your coordinates. In this case, since it is in the form of y equals to mx plus b, so y is isolated, so we will give the values for x. So you can give any number of x. It could be positive, negative, or it could also be 0. So in this case, let's have x is equal to negative 2. So we will have y equals to 2x plus 3. We give the value of x so that in after substituting the values of x in your equation, you can have the value of y. So let's see how does it work. So y is equals to 2 times, substitute the value of your x which you gave already, which is negative 2 plus 3. So y, whatever the answer in this equation, that will be the value of your y. So 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4 plus 3. Following the rules of integers, that will be negative 1. Next, since we are giving 3 points here, so another values of x, you can have 0. So y is equals to x plus 3. Your x is 0, so substitute the value of your x to 0 plus 3. You have y is equals to 2 times 0 is 0 plus 3. This is equal to 3. So you have now your value of y as equal to 3. And lastly, you can have x as positive 1. So y is equals to 2x plus 3, where your x is equals to 1. So substitute the value. So 2 times 1 plus 3. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3. So you can have now y as equals to 5. So since you are to find or to give 3 points, so by giving the value of your x, you have the freedom to choose the value of your x as long as it is an integer. So you can have a positive, negative, or all positive or all negative numbers. So in this case, we give 1 negative, a 0, which do not have any value or it have no positive or negative sign, and x as a positive number. After giving this point or this number, by following the equation in y form, you can have the value of your y. Now, after solving this, let's organize the solution in a table. If you're given the value of x, which is negative 2, after solving, you have now the value of y, which is negative 1. So putting these two numbers into an ordered pair, so you can have now the point or the ordered pair negative 2 and negative 1. The second value of x that you gave is 0. And the answer after solving is, for the y, is 3. So you have now the ordered pair 0 and 3. Next, Next point or next number is 1. After solving, you have the value of y which is equal to 5. So you have now the ordered pair 1 and positive 5. So you have already the 3 points here in order for you to plot your coordinate. Now let's proceed in plotting. Now, plot the points on your rectangular coordinate system. So the first point there is we have -2 and -1. Next, you have 0 and 3, which is in the y-axis or the y-intercept. And lastly, you have the +1 and +5. After plotting, draw the line through the 3 points. Extend the line and put the arrows on both sides of the end. This indicates both sides of the end, no ending line. So draw a line. Okay, if your points were matched or being touched by the line, this means that your answers are correct. So now, after drawing a line, your line now can be the equation of your y equals to 2x plus 3.